Hello everyone. Today let me introduce Probaby's rotating door wedge. It is of two parts, the plastic and the metal bottom. First, let's choose a place at the door bottom and clean it. Then you peel off the paper back at the bigger part and adhere the bigger part of the door stop on the floor. When you want to keep the door open, you can push the door to the rotating door stop and pull the little part under the door. When you want to close the door, you just kick the little part in. You can close the door freely. This product is ideal for home safety to prevent door slamming shut, arousing noise, or injuring babies. It is very practical and convenient, right? Thank you. See you next time.